Imagine a universe where Earth never existed. Our planet, Venus, and Mars plunged into the sun before life had a chance. This nearly happened, until one giant planet changed everything. This is the story of how Jupiter saved Earth. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, 318 times more massive than Earth. But size isn't what makes it special. A strange pattern emerged as astronomers discovered thousands of exoplanets beyond our solar system. In many systems, rocky planets don't survive. They spiral inward and get devoured by their host stars. So why didn't this happen to Earth, Venus, and Mars? Why are we clustered at just the right distance from the Sun, around one astronomical unit? Instead of being consumed, scientists Andrei Isidoro and Vaibhav Srivastava from Rice University in Houston, Texas, discovered the answer. And it all comes down to Jupiter's violent early history. 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system looked nothing like today. It was a chaotic disk of gas, dust, and debris orbiting a newly born sun. This is called a protoplanetary disk, where all planets are born. Within this disk, tiny particles began to collide and stick together, slowly building up into larger and larger bodies. But there was a problem. In these early disks, small particles naturally migrate inward, pulled by the sun's immense gravity and dragged by the surrounding gas. Without intervention, these building blocks would have fallen into the sun, preventing planets like Earth from forming. So, what stopped this cosmic death spiral? Enter Jupiter. Within just a few million years of the solar system's birth, Jupiter grew rapidly, becoming a gravitational powerhouse. The team's computer simulations revealed something incredible. Young Jupiter acted like a cosmic wrecking ball, destabilizing the entire disk around the sun. Its immense gravitational force sent ripples through the disk, carving out rings and gaps, creating what researchers call cosmic traffic jams. These traffic jams prevented particles from spiraling into the sun. Instead, material accumulates in specific regions, grouping them to form the seeds of planets. Jupiter created safe zones where Earth, Venus, and Mars could grow, at just the right distance from the sun where temperatures allowed for liquid water. But Jupiter did more than just stop the inward drift. It cut off the flow of gas material toward the inner solar system entirely, preventing our young planets from migrating inward like we see in many other star systems. Earth was trapped in the habitable zone, and that's exactly where we needed to be. Jupiter's early growth also solved a 50-year-old mystery. Chondrites are primitive stony meteorites that fall to Earth, time capsules from the dawn of the solar system. But scientists have always wondered why some chondrites formed so late, 2 to 3 million years after the first solids in the solar system. The answer? Jupiter created the conditions for their delayed birth. The second-generation planetary seeds formed in Jupiter's traffic jams weren't the solar system's original building blocks. They were born later and they match perfectly with chondrite meteorites. Jupiter's gap also preserved the distinct isotopic signatures between inner and outer solar system materials, creating two flavors of meteorites scientists have been studying for decades. Today, we can see this process happening in real time around other stars. Images from the ALMA telescope in Chile reveal young planetary systems with ring-shaped gaps, evidence of giant planets forming and reshaping their environments, just like Jupiter did billions of years ago. Jupiter didn't just become the biggest planet. It set the architecture for the entire inner solar system. Without Jupiter's intervention, Earth might never have formed. Or if it did, it would have spiraled into the sun long before life had a chance to emerge. So the next time you see Jupiter shining in the night sky, remember, we owe our existence to that giant world. Without Jupiter, there would be no Earth, no oceans, no life, no us. We are here because Jupiter saved us.